All right, guys, we're completing this inside. We're gonna redo this center transmission tunnel. Marked out our templates. This is kind of crazy, but we know what to cut. Got our measurement. We're gonna end up bending this piece to fit over that top part. Cut that center piece out. So right now I'm gonna get to cut. Alright guys, a little recap. We'll cut this hole in there for the shifter. Got our bends. It's not perfect, but they're bended. So yesterday I cut up a piece, or cut that line right there. Obviously it's not straight. I got frustrated. I was already tired, so I wasn't happy with the line, so I'm gonna recut that line right there and hopefully make it straighter than yesterday, and then fit that up. And then we're gonna have to trim this end to fit right here, which we're gonna do that after this one is perfect. Let's get it. So we're about to cut this out right here, make a straight line so we can fix this and fill in this side. But overall, it's all cut out right there. And they did this, but we got that shape for this side of the transmission. So we're gonna kind of tack that in and then build this piece after. So let's get it. All right, so we got this cut out right here. It's not perfect, but this is pretty much gonna go right there. You're gonna tack it in place, kind of force it in where it needs to be, and go for it.
Connects perfect. And then when you get right here, I have to push it out.
I feel like this side would be easier.
Like if you line that side up, you'll see it. See?
Like right here?
Yeah. So if you go down underneath it, see, that's where I was kind of like,
So we just tack this in right here, and we just tack this piece in here. So I buffed this off so I could see this area right here, and there's a lot of pitted spots in the metal, in the sheet metal. So I'm gonna have to cut out further to just replace that. since we're already doing all this work, there's common sense just to knock this out. So what I'm gonna end up doing is making my lines all the way down, probably about right there, straight line across, and then cut this out right there, boom boom, and then make a template, connect it to this panel, and then go all the way up and make a panel. So pretty much I'm just gonna make this whole floor piece right here. So cut this out and shape it to go from here up here, and then when I have that floor spot welded in, what I'm gonna do is just trace this back piece and then cut that piece out and connect everything, and it should be done. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. To the radius of the floor right here, so it's the same radius, sits in there like that. The reason why we cut out so much right here was because my floor was already pitted, so it was pitted on this side and close to the transmission tunnel, so we just cut this rusted part out and then we made this template right here. We're gonna tack it in and fit it up, and then make one more piece to close that tunnel right there, and we should be good. I'm gonna tack a spot close to me that I think is good to go. And then go from there, you know what I mean? Just to be somewhere in there. The thing is, I want it to be higher, so I think I might need to trim this one. I want it to match the floor, I don't want it to match this, so I'm gonna just tack it up real quick. Should be good. Trying to get this. Just got this light, shop light from Black Friday, so this is what it's looking like. About to tack in that piece my dad had made and cut out. Fit it up nice and good. And get all this rust cut out. I need to order a rear cab support mount. Rear cab support, because I forgot to order one. And get it all welded in.